Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to enable translations and set a language on TikTok. So let's get started. First we're going to start off by going to our profile. We're going to do that by clicking on the icon in our bottom right corner. It says profile. It takes us to our profile page. Now we're going to click on the three stripes in the top right corner and we're going to select the last option we have, settings and privacy. So here we're gonna scroll down to content and display. I'm gonna select language. As you can see, we already set the default language and our preferred languages. That is explained in another video. If you want to see what it is and what it means, go check it out. So as you can see here, always show translations is enabled, but it's defaultly off. So you're gonna pick your translation language. That's the language you like to have your videos translated into. So for example, if a video in French or Greek pops up on your For You page or in any other language, you can pick here. If you click on translation language, you can pick any language that you like. Is it your mother language, or you understand it the most, you want it to be translated in that? So you're gonna click on that language that you like. In this example, we're gonna stick with English because who doesn't understand English? And if you select another language, you have to click done to save the changes. If you don't, if you stick with English, here, because I changed it, you can also click on done, but if you don't, you can always go ahead and click on cancel if you don't change it. So let's go ahead and click on done for this example. And now you're gonna turn on always show translations. So when this is turned on, the video descriptions and captions will be translated into the language that you've selected, if it's available. But I think that in English is available 99% of the time. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!